Elmo is going to stick his wiener and balls into an electrical outlet, so it enhances Elmo's smegma and scrotal cheese by giving it smoky flavors. Taylor said this would work. Okay, time to stick my wiener and balls into the electrical outlet. After I enjoy it situation. Ow, 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 my wiener and balls hurt so bad, why,
Ha 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 ha. I can't believe you were retarded enough to fall for that trick. Have fun not being able to make, age, or ferment any smegma and scrotal cheese now. I just eliminated my competition, aka you, because he was retarded enough to believe my lies.
Taylor, you fucking balls, skinny flaccid penis bitch. I can't make any smegma or scrotal cheese for at least 6 months because of you.
Hey, you were the one stupid enough to fall for my words. Oh, you wanna go? I MMA beat your scrawny head and you little red falsetto voiced retard.
Ow, 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 ow.
Have fun not being able to make smegma or scrotal cheese anymore. Ha 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 ha.